Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Giaomar 1080p LED projector. It is not only a standard projector, it is a 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector with 12,000 lumens, 1080p Full HD resolution and 4K video support. The Giaomar Mini LED Home Cinema Video Record Projector can make up to 300 inches display. It's compatible with smartphone, laptop, television stick, Xbox, PlayStation, and all other kind of devices which can use the HDMI ports. It's a really cool projector. This is the 2023 updated Full HD projector. This features the native resolution of 1920 to 1080. It supports 4K Ultra HD videos and it comes with 12,000 lux high brightness, 10,000 to 1 high contrast ratio. The brightness are more than 50% than the other 1080p projector on the market. With a 96% NTSC technology and color reproduction technology, it highly restores the original images without compression the image quality. It delivers clear and colorful images and videos too. This Giaomar C12 projector features the latest P2P Direct Mirroring technology, which enables wireless synchronization in seconds for a big screen without the need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. But you can perform this with Wi-Fi. No longer restricted by routers. The process of the wireless mirroring becomes easier than ever. Thanks to the user-friendly updates, it has never been so easy to experience more beautiful moments with our family and friends. We say goodbye to any lag. The home cinema projector Full HD is equipped with the latest 2.4G and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi chip to make online video streaming and gaming experience smoother. The built-in bidirectional Bluetooth 5.1 chip this can gain up your sound level, for example, because you can pair this device with a Bluetooth enabled device. And then you can use this Bluetooth device to give more sound quality, for example, or other Bluetooth compatible devices. This 1080p projector allows us to connect with the external speakers or headphones, or it works as a Bluetooth speaker itself. It brings us an immersive sound quality experience with the projector and with the possibilities where we can gain it. This mini projector with zoom function can easily reduce the image size from 100% to 75% without moving the projector. It's equipped with a ±50 degrees keystone correction. We can adjust the screen from the vertical to easily get a square picture. With a 300-inch screen size, this Bluetooth projector is perfect for backyards, for soccer games, home parties and birthday parties too. With multiple ports, we have 2 types of USB. There you can dock USB sticks with movie or picture. There you can play it easily. 2 times HDMI. There you can connect your PlayStation, for example, your Xbox, your Switch, of course, and DVD player, Blu-ray player, and so many other HDMI devices. And you can dock 2 of them. We have an audio output port, an AV, and we have a headphone jack too. So there is everything what we need. And of course the Wi-Fi function, the Bluetooth function, everything is possible here to dock it with it. And we connect to a TV stick, for example, or iOS devices can make AirDrop, or Android phones can share your screen for it, for example. personal computers, laptops, USB flash drive, DVD, Blu-ray, external speakers, game consoles, and so on. Everything is possible to connect on this projector here. And 5G and Wi-Fi is on the board too. So this is a great start into the home theater world for us. It's an ultra-fast 5G and Wi-Fi. P2P Direct Mirroring makes it everything easier. No Wi-Fi when we want to use a video projector to share beautiful moments with our friends and family at outdoor camping? No problem. The Giaomar C20 projector will help us. It features an innovative P2P direct mirroring solution that allows us to enjoy our movie nights outdoor without Wi-Fi. So the big screen viewing experience is no longer limited to indoors. Of course, it's not waterproof, so take care. It should be a summer day without raining. Put simply, it is a simplified and innovative connection method for connection mobile phones to projector, P2P direct mirroring. Compared to Wi-Fi connection and screen mirroring, the P2P direct connection is more convenient. If our Wi-Fi signal is bad, resulting in not being able to connect to Wi-Fi or easily dropping connection, the P2P direct mirroring can help us to solve this problem. We can connect our mobile phone to the projector wirelessly without the projector needing to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. We turn a small screen into the big screen in seconds. The projector calls the P2P cast interface. The projector does not need to be connected to Wi-Fi. We turn on the Wi-Fi on our phone. We connect to a Wi-Fi router. Is not required for it. We start our phone's mirroring function, and then we find the projector device to connect to it. And then we have dual band Wi-Fi. We say goodbye to lags, and then we can start with the direct mirroring. Easy peasy. The Giaomar Wi-Fi projector adopts advanced dual Wi-Fi share. The transmission speed is 3 times faster than 2.4G Wi-Fi projectors on the market, which can effectively avoid signal interferences, ensure stable signal, online HD video playback smoother. The Wi-Fi projector supports Android, iOS, Windows systems on the same screen. We can watch movies, view photos, online sources, play games from home. Small screen become big screen in only 1 second, and we enjoy unlimited fun with it. If we like to see Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus or so, it cannot be played directly through a mirror screen with a smartphone. It can only work by connection to a TV box, Roku or a Chromecast, or of course if you connect a PlayStation or an Xbox or it is a Switch by using HDMI or a smart Blu-ray player with this projector. Of course, you can use Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, and so on. The streaming thing you can use by using this projector with an additional periphery device. And we have bidirectional Bluetooth function. That means we have a built-in surround speaker. The Bluetooth projector offers a faster connection speed and a longer transmission distance. It can be easily connected to external Bluetooth speakers, headphones, wirelessly, but it can also be used as a standalone Bluetooth audio, as you like. We can gain the sound of movies outdoor without delay. For garden patches, soccer games, house parties, birthday parties, it's perfect for an impressive home cinema experience. We make sure that the Bluetooth device is in the pairing mode, of course. We turn on the projector and select settings, and we find the Bluetooth connection. We turn on the Bluetooth, then we find BT to pair the devices. Due to the different brands and chips of the Bluetooth device, the LCD projector may not be compatible with all Bluetooth devices out there, okay? But most of them is, of course, possible to connect with it. With the projection size from 50 up to 300 inches and throw distance from 1.5 to 7 meters, this video projector delivers incredible vivid and bright images for an immersive home entertainment experience on the big screen. For a clear and sharp image, the optimal projection distance is about 3 meters. And as a home cinema projector full HD with the Keystone function, it allows us to adjust it easily. We can rotate the focus keystone ring, and we can make a tilt by 15 inches easily to adjust the clarity and sharpness of the image and easily to get either square image even if the film project is off axis or tilted up and down. And it gives us a breathtaking immersive viewing experience. So we can install it on the ceiling. We can install the projector on the walls, or we can install it on a tripod to easily get a cool movie night at home or on vacation or on the go. The only thing we need is a power supply. This is a really nice device here. It is the CR or Giaomar 1080p LED projector. It's the newest version of it, and it makes a really good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.